sister.
Oh, what the hell is that?
That's London, baby.
Hey kids, so we are back. City Series release 2019, London edition. So we're going to take a look at this hyped release. City Series, always hyped up. I will compare them to the, I think, 2010 London's. I've got the Malmo colourway here. I will compare them to Burn, which is the previous 2019 release. So yeah, let's crack open the box and take a look. First thing to say, like all of the 2019 City Series, you do get this lovely art card. Hopefully that's enough for you to read that. Now to the main show themselves, which are of course the shoes. So here we go. Lovely luster on the red, really nice colour. Now we'll have a look at obviously the gold London detailing on the side. Nice and clean. Now one difference between this release and the previous two, so your Burn and your Brussels, immediately is you've got no dimple tongue, you've got a suede tongue here. You haven't got this anymore. Now if you go back to the, I think it was 2010, correct me if I'm wrong, the London's then had a dimple tongue as well. Now I believe that the very OG of the London's did have a suede tongue, but you know, this is what I've read online back in the, you know, the heyday, you know, proper 70s shoe. So I don't know, again, if anyone knows different, let me know. I mean, it's nice, it's just there are slight differences between the two City Series. Obviously the sole unit is different to the Burn as well. Yeah, and if you compare that sole unit to the previous London iteration, it is darker. So let's do a toe to tongue on this one. Let's have a look. Over to the insole, and you do get your lace swap in these. So you get red laces as you swap. I actually prefer the black laces, the contrast on top of the red out the box. So I won't be swapping them. But always a nice to have. Around the back of the heel. And underneath. So if we do get these out, initial size comparison to, I mean, let's just take the Burn. Okay, so pretty much externally the same. We'll take these as well. So this is the previous iteration. You know, the same. So I mean, I think these are probably going to be true to size. I'm a size 9. I picked up a size 9. I didn't try them on because, you know, I'm pretty confident from what I've seen and heard that these will be absolutely fine. The quality of the suede on these is really good actually. Let's just zoom in. So the old rub test is a positive. I would say the pile is slightly less than the previous iteration, but I would say it's a neater looking pile on the suede, if that makes any sense at all. So again, a really nice shoe. This obviously a classic terrace series, you know, as the City series are. So yeah, I think they're still available. It's a general release, so I think whoever wants these should hopefully, despite popularity, you know, be able to get themselves a pair of these. These look nice with, you know, sort of denim jeans, stuff like that. Right, I'll pop these on foot now. As always, kids, yeah, take care of yourselves, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.